Septic tanks can be totally hassle-free if you know the right way to take care of them, and yeah, it's all about regular checkups and small lifestyle tweaks. First off, get your septic tank inspected regularly, like every couple of years, to avoid any nasty surprises. Don't throw food scraps down the sink drain or use a garbage disposal because that stuff just makes the tank work overtime. Keep grease far away from your drains, whether you have a septic or sewer system, since it clogs pipes big time. Feminine products? Never flush those. They cause major blockages in the tank and drain field, leading to super expensive repairs. Toilet paper is usually fine, but avoid the super thick triple ply stuff because it can gum up the system. Stick with regular or double ply toilet paper instead to keep things flowing smoothly. Oh, and don't worry too much about doing lots of laundry or running the dishwasher daily. A properly designed septic system can handle normal family life no problem. Just don't cram 10 people into a tiny house. That's a recipe for trouble with any septic system. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is skipping regular inspections and pumping, which leads to costly backups and repairs. Just set a reminder every 2 years and call a pro. Another common slip-up is flushing non-biodegradable items like feminine hygiene products, which block the system. Fix this by sticking to flushing only toilet paper and human waste. The third issue is pouring grease or food waste down the drain, which clogs pipes and overloads the tank. A simple fix here is to scrap grease into the trash and avoid garbage disposals altogether. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like septic repairs or installations. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and grow their business by getting matched with homeowners needing their services.